Guys, welcome back to the video. And today's video we're talking about Invest 97S update 1 no oh yeah oh no update 2 on the Hurricane Trackers channel and update 1 on my channel. As it was earlier, this system was kind of looking better organized, but now it's kind of looking disorganized with it's still got a bunch of convection now, I admit. Still blowing up some good -90s up here, but it's just because the wind shear is way too strong up here. The wind shear is blowing like this, so it is disrupting these cloud tops right here. Disrupting them. It's still blowing up some good -90s though, I admit. But the -90-degree cloud tops, they aren't as good as they aren't as good as they were earlier, because they were touching the -95-degree cloud tops down here. Now looking at the satellite imagery, not the satellite imagery, shall I say? Well, I think there's some satellite imagery on it. No, there isn't. But if I go to current storms, it's still got Invest TW, which is not really looking that good, to be honest. 97S does look better than 98W, I have to admit that. So this is the track for this system right now. So it's up here, right? So they do want it to form, and it crosses Australia. Now, whether it gets into the Gulf of Carpentaria and rapidly intensify, we're not quite sure. Now, whether it does that, and then rapidly intensify, might possibly become a Cat 2, maybe a Cat 3 on the SSH, which is the South Australian System Hurricane Wind Scale. And then maybe a Cat 4 or Cat 5 on the Australian scale. Now, if this forms by Christmas Day or Boxing Day, which probably will, but yeah, again, probably will form in before that. You don't really know. If it gets its act together, then yeah. If it does that, it'll probably make landfall on Boxing Day, maybe the 22nd, 27th, should I say. Go over here, barely loses intensity actually. Goes in the Gulf of Carpentaria. Now whether it moves south and go like that, or whether it moves north like that and goes in there like that, we're not quite sure of where it's gonna go, because if it takes this track here, models have it as a massive hurricane. Now it's a massive cyclone. Now this was the earlier run, I think so. Yes, this was the earlier run from the 0Z December 22nd, 23rd. They have it just doing that, going straight down. Now, for the 12Z model run, they kinda want it a bit stronger. This is for the GEEP, somewhere. Right, the GEFS. Now on the 12Z model run, wants this system to either do a loop-to-loop like that, and then carry on going like that. If it does that, that'll be an interesting track. But they want their system to go like that. So basically, near enough like a key, basically. So if it formed down here, it would have connected up to there. If it went like that, and then merges back on itself like that. It would have been basically a key. So it would have been a key basically. Now it would, yeah, it would be a key. Some other models do have it as a category 2, maybe a cat 3 in the Gulf of Carpentierra, but one of these models here has it as at least a category 4. So it is possible. It is not out of the question. But 12Z model run. No, that's no page has been found. This is the long floater imagery of this system. You can see a spin in the atmosphere in there, just where the center is. But the wind, it's kind of alright. It's kind of strong. See those strong cloud tops which are blowing up here, and there's some around here, and some up there. Yeah, they're the strong ones. Forecast points. So yeah, obviously, if this bit of the system breaks away, and that bit goes over that way, that could possibly form into a different cyclone. Then if this bit merges into itself, combines, it will make a good system. Now, whether it's going to do that, we're not quite sure. But it might do it, it might not. So we just have to wait and see whether it will. But if it does, then you have two cyclones on either side. Now, because this is in the south, this is in the southwest Indian Ocean. It's got 97S, so yeah, basically it's alright. So I will show you the model ones. I will show you the model ones actually. Yeah, I was going to show the model ones. I'm going to show the model ones. GFS 97S. Now 97S kind of looks alright. Better than Invest 98W though. Right. GFS wants this system kinda weak, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, but it forms December the 24th on the 12Z model, and so it actually kind of forms tomorrow. Makes something from the 18Z model and tomorrow, and then the 0Z model, and it actually turns up north. Now it doesn't. I think it just skims the land on the 12Z model on Friday. No, on Saturday, should I say. So yeah, and it makes the landfall in the Gulf of Carpentierra. Now, whether that's going to be on the 28th, 27th, 27th. Yeah, so the day after Boxing Day, and then obviously, then a 983 on January the 2nd, 2022. Now, CMC model for Invest 97S kind of does not want to pick up on the system and form it. They will do, but they want it a little bit stronger. Yeah, as you can see, look, they completely make it form. Gets a bit sucker, so yeah. Anyway, guys, Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. See you all in the next video. Peace and have a good day.